Welcome to this video where we explore one of the hottest new features on YouTube, the AI-powered photo-to-video tool for shorts. This groundbreaking update lets creators turn still images into dynamic animated clips using generative effects, and it's already shaking up the content creation game. Let's dive into how it works, how to use it, and how you can use this tool to get more views. The photo to video tool is a brand new feature in the YouTube Shorts Creator Suite. It uses Google's advanced VO model to animate your still photos, apply stylistic effects like water ripples or pencil sketching, and create movement where there was none. It's a simple but powerful way to bring your content to life. This tool was only released recently in July 2025 and has already captured attention across YouTube and creator forums. Because it's so new, there's very little content explaining it, meaning it's a prime time to jump in. People are curious about how it works and what kind of content it can produce, which makes this a great opportunity for creators. Using the feature is incredibly simple. First, you choose a photo. It could be a landscape, a pet, or even a selfie. Then you pick from a list of AI effects like underwater or doodle. These effects add movement, textures, and animations automatically. You can also control the clip duration and sync it with music or text before publishing as a short. We've already seen creators turn their vacation photos into animated postcards that move and shimmer. Pet owners are adding fun overlays to dog and cat pictures. Portraits are getting stylized into art with the doodle effect. These examples show just how creative you can get with very little editing. If you're trying to grow your channel, now is the time to act. There's a massive advantage to being early with trending features. Not only are AI shorts eye-catching, but they're easy to make. Even if you're not a video editor, this tool helps you produce high-quality content that keeps people watching. To boost your reach, use popular hashtags and consider pairing your short with trending AI-generated music. Make sure the visuals are attention-grabbing right from the first second. And don't forget to include a subtle call to action like watch till the end to increase viewer retention. This photo to video tool is just the beginning. YouTube has also been testing Dream Track, an AI-generated music engine, and they're working on tools that can create entire shorts using your channel style as a guide. It's clear that AI will be an even bigger part of the platform in the coming months. This new AI photo animation tool is a game changer. If you start using it now while it's still new and underexplored, you'll have a real shot at standing out. Try it with your own photos and publish a few shorts to see what kind of engagement you get. It's never been easier to create viral content with so little effort. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay ahead of the curve with more AI content and YouTube strategies, hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment below if you've tried this new AI tool. I'd love to hear what kind of shorts you've created with it.